Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. In an earlier video we mentioned to you that we have a great relationship with Raptor Liner, and this is one of the trucks that we're going to be totally changing the exterior of with a colored exterior textured surface. We just have a slideshow just to give you some ideas of other vehicles that can be done with this product and what they look like. So this just gives you some ideas because we can do not only the complete exterior of the vehicle, but we can do features such as running boards, bush guards, bumpers. There's lots of other items, trailer floors, that sort of thing. So we'll just cut away and we'll just share with you the slideshow of some different vehicles with the colored texture product that we're referring to, and then we'll be right back. Okay, now we're back seeing some of the ideas. So just to let you know, not only do we perform, lastchanceautorestore.com is known for our ground up rotisserie restorations. So not only that, but we also have our sandblasting and powder coating division. All of that work is done in-house. We also have a tire machine and balancer, so we can supply, install any type of aftermarket wheel that you would like. We can also sandblast and powder coat or even line with a textured colored surface to any wheels that you have now. We also have suppliers for a bunch of aftermarket accessories. So if you want to accessorize your truck, your sport utility crossover vehicle, and especially Jeeps, we have many sources for that. So things like bush guards, winches, suspension kits, exhaust kits, anything to personalize your truck or sport utility or your Jeep product, we have available to us. Everything is done in-house. So some of the shops out there will advertise they do it, but then they basically have you bring the vehicle to them, they take it apart, send the parts away, have them blasted and coated or worked on, then brought back and installed. At lastchanceautorestore.com we do everything in-house. So if there's some features that you'd like to have done or some enhancements on your vehicle, we do it all here, whether it's powder coating, the sandblasting, the colored liner texture, any product like that, we have access to it. We have our high-speed balancer, state-of-the-art tire machine, and we can do any size rim and tire. So for more information, you can email me. It's john@lastchanceautorestore.com.